Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you again for clicking this video. Yay, it is Tuesday. That means that Monday is past and tomorrow is Wednesday. Haha. It's another beautiful day and I hope that you are enjoying this morning so far. Before I go any further, I'd like to say hello to my friend Tammy of Life with Granny T and to her daughter Sarah. Sarah celebrated her birthday last month and I meant to join the virtual celebration, but I was sick at that time and was not able to make it. And I am still in the process of making a little something for you, Sarah. So please be patient with me. Just know that I've been thinking about you and I've been thinking about you, Tammy. I hope all is well with you. Okay, so back to this video. This is my video 2 for Vintage Christmas Day in July 2021 collaboration. This event is hosted by Teri Lee of Sweet Pea Papers, Kyung Shotwell, and Lisa Fisher. We have this gorgeous kit, about 56 pages to work with, and this was designed by Kyung Shotwell, and she has her link in the description. And look at all these beautiful pages, really stunning. The kit comes in portrait and landscape pages, and then it is complete with ephemera. So these are still all the pages that I can work with. And I have plenty of offcuts. So last week I showed you a finished journal. So this week I really do not know what to do. I did not know what to make because I am just so excited and impressed by everyone's work. So now I'm thinking, what will I make? So decisions. When I did the first journal, I already did mini booklets and pockets and tucks and journal cards and tags. So I do not really want to make another big journal, but that's what I really do. So I'm thinking I should look at my scraps and my junk mails. Maybe I can do something with this. And so I decided I will use these envelopes. I have plenty of envelopes from way back. Some of them are from thrift stores. These are from junk mails. Oh, these ones are new, and these are from junk mails. This was from a thrift store. Yep, 99 cents. And so we are going to use this and make something. I don't really know what I can finish, but yeah, I am so decided to use this. I am so decided. Did I say that right? I decided to use these envelopes. Kyung Shotwell is making a beautiful envelope journal, and if you've seen her work, she is really making a beautiful progress. I just actually finished watching her video number 3 and it is beautiful. So for my project, I decided I will also use manila folders because I have plenty of these folders. And so this is so far what I have done, and this is in no way close to completion. And I also don't know how the final project will look like, but let me just show you the base. And then I used my dies to cut this, and I will use this also for the inside. I don't really know what I am doing, but I'm pretty sure I will figure this out as I go. So these are just envelopes of different sizes, and I will just decorate this. I really don't know how this will turn out. I hope it turns out well. But the cover is again a manila folder, and I don't know how I will decorate the cover, but I'm recording this video to show you where I am at, and also to encourage you to keep your mailers or your junk mails and use them to make something. I don't know, maybe a mini album, maybe a journal, maybe something like this, a file folder, folio / album. I really do not know what this is called, but I hope that you stay with me in this project and let's see what we can come up with. I wish I could do a tutorial, or not really a tutorial because I don't really know what I am going to do myself. Anyways, what I meant is I wish that I could craft with you or you craft with me or do this in camera, the whole process. But you know me, I'm not very good at talking. I'm not much of a talker. So I will just show you bits and pieces of what I accomplish. And I hope that is okay with you. Alright, so far, this is what I have finished. This is not close to completion. I still do not know what to do with the cover, so I am actually doing this backwards. Normally, when I do a project, I start with the cover, but this time I am doing the inside pages. What I would like to do for this project, though, is to use my offcuts. I will have plenty of inserts and will decorate the pages, but for now I have only come to cover the base, which are envelopes. So let's take a look at some of the pages. Again, this is not done. This is a tuck, and this is another tuck. This envelope is not covered yet. I don't really know what to do with this one. And this will be decorated. This is a pocket, and this is a pocket. Again, I left this envelope because I still don't know what to do with that, and I will embellish this page too. And then this is a pocket or a tuck. This is another small pocket there, and a top loading pocket. This is washi tape, and this needs fixing because it is coming off. And then this has to be covered, so this is another pocket, or no, a tuck. And then here is for photos, so I can insert some photos here. And this is another tuck. And then another tuck. So plenty of tucks. This is still not covered. This is another pocket there. And a tuck. And then this is an envelope. I still have to add a closure. And then these are not done yet. So far that's what I have finished. And oh, this one is also a tuck, and I think that is about it. Or there's another one. This is another tuck. This is a pocket, a tuck, and then photos in there. So there you go. Lots of things still to do, and then I will be back to show you some more. But so far, this is where I am at. I also realized, friends, that we can upload our projects anytime. There's no specific day or time as long as we share our projects before the end of this month. So I hope that you continue to support us. Again, hashtag Vintage Christmas Day in July 2021. So there you go, everyone. This is my project share for today. Thanks so much for watching and for supporting my channel. And if you like what you see and you are not subscribed, please consider joining my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.